What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm here with YWigs. This is the packaging, same as usual. I got the same box on the inside. So I see the way, guys, I open the box. I got a nice long elastic band with Velcro attached. This is nice, very nice long band. Love this. And lastly, I got a wig cap inside. Oh, there's also an information card, you know, policy, return and exchange, all those good stuff. All right, so we got this nice lace front. Okay, it's a 13 by 6. All right, and they classify this as a small lace front when, you know, it comes in on the side, but it's still a full-on lace front. It looks really good. It's like of a medium brown. The lace looks nice and thin. It is a 13 by 6 parting space, and it is so nicely pre-plucked. Now it's the yaki straight texture, and it's 20 inches long, extremely full, and I'm getting no shedding from this. Extremely full. I love this. As I've been doing a lot since recently, I'm gonna be doing a glue install with this.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours.
Alright, guys, so I went ahead and I removed the extra lace. Obviously I did this side, but I did it off camera because I already showed you guys this side on camera. So now I'm just gonna finish my swoops.
Skipping out, no, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
Alright, guys, so I'm done with my edges. So I'm just taking my wax stick and my hot comb to, you know, get this slick back, and then I'm gonna do a ponytail, and I believe I'm going to also straighten this with my flat iron afterwards.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
So guys, today I just want to embrace fresh face because, yeah, I do like the way my skin is responding right now, and I just feel like this hairstyle is really snatched and stuff. I'm just gonna run through it really quickly with my flat iron, and fresh face is what we're doing for today's look.
Ooh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
Guys, look at that. That looks like a fresh blowout. God, this is so nice. YWigs, you did it. This is lit. I feel like the fresh face is just giving. It's just giving. I love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Very, very minimal shading. The hairline is on 10. It just, the ponytail is everything is just perfect. I'm going to be sure to put all the information, all the specifications on this wig in my description box, as well as the direct link. So do go ahead and check out that down below. And yeah, YWigs, it's a go. It is movement. It was really easy to straighten. Love it. Love it. So yeah, I hope that you found this video informative. You know, if you like the look, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in color.